kia ora Room 9, call Mr. C, tēnei anō. This is Mr. C again. Welcome to the Room 9 news for Rāmere, the 17th of April. Okay, straight into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is a pōpō, which is today for tomorrow, as in ka hoki mai au, a pōpō, I will return tomorrow. A pōpō, Saturday, rahoroi, I'll probably just return to the studio and do a bit of cleaning. Alrighty, let's check out what everyone got up to yesterday. Straight into Carla, first up again. She's been learning how to tell the time, also keeping a journal, which is full of things like treasure hunts, dancing, board games. She's also sent in a photo of math problem solving. Great work, Carla. Okay, we've got some great photos sent in from Josh Porteous. Check out the boys on the motorbikes. What a day. That's got to be the best school in New Zealand. And also we've got Josh gravelling in the big truck with Dad. And check out what he saved until last. It's the story in a picture. Look at those big stag antlers. That's some Mondo velvet on those. Tūmeki. Alright, now I kid you not, it's as if Jax has been talking to Josh. Jax is dreaming of adventures after the lockdown, and he sent in a clue here. I'm saying nothing. See if you can figure it out. Great spelling, Jax. Love it. Now here we go. We've got Lords reading some Sunshine Online, and guess what? Koto, she's playing Shut the Box, and no way Lords has beaten me. She has the new Room 9 low score of 5. Well done. Might have to have another go tomorrow and see if I can regain the title. Kapai Lords, well done. Alright, check out this whānau. Look at all this fabulous handwriting going on with Harper C. And if I could just draw your attention, I know the handwriting's fabulous, but look at that hair. I thought the hairdressers were shut. Obviously got the home salon going on. Stunning work, ladies. Stunning. Keep it up. Now what have we got here? Kiara, she's been on the Prototech Maths website answering some basic facts questions and scored herself a fancy ass certificate. Muy bueno, fantastic, look at that. Well done. Okay, looky here, Daniel's mum sent in a couple of photos. Fun times here with a remote control car, pretty flash, and a bit of high-tech maths too. Great work, Daniel, keep those pictures coming in. And some of you have been asking what Mr. C's been doing. Well, yesterday I took my 2 kids kite flying. Check it out. And you can send in videos too if you want. Best just to email them to me straight. It could be dancing, singing, motorbike riding, whatever you want. Anything you want to share with the world. If it needs a bit of editing, that's okay. I can sort that out. And let's get that on the news. Okay, health and safety news. Everyone's been up with the hand washing, that's great. And the weather forecast looks a bit dodgy today. So if you're out and about, be prepared for maybe a bit of rain. Doesn't look too flash, kia ora. Harry Potter news. Yes, I've read another instalment just for you. And I've emailed through the link. And I've also put it in the text box below. Okay, Rāmere today. And my favourite Rā o Te Wiki, because tēnei rā is sausage sizzle day. And I might have to do them in the oven today. We'll just see how windy it is going to get outside. Or I might have to put the barbecue out in the garage. Okay, birthday news. A little birdie told me it's Ariana's birthday today, hitting the big 8. And really classy Ariana, you've got the same birthday as Posh Spice from the Spice Girls. What a fancy party you two are going to have. Happy birthday, girls. Hope you're all having fun. Sorry I can't make the party. And that's about it for today. If you have anything interesting to share, news, photos, videos, email them to me. We share them from the universe. Well done on all that work out there. Keep the good stuff coming in. From the Room 9 news team here at the Channel 9 studios. That's our own studios. Koto. Ka kita te wiki. See you next week. Haere rā. Enjoy the weekend. Stay well and stay classy, Room 9.